before you take your blindfolds off, how do you think you've done?
Perfect.
From a range of
Me.
yeah, you
9. 9.5.
What about you?
Me.
Yeah.
2.
2. Okay, so you can take your blindfolds off. Yeah, so what's up, people? Welcome back to Justus Drawings. It's your boy Justus. So if you want to learn how to draw, you want to learn how to sketch, you are an art enthusiast, or you just want to see me do stupid stuff in the name of art, please hit that subscribe button. Road to 500 subscribers. Yeah, so today I'm here with
Mema. Mesh.
yeah, so today they'll be drawing while blindfolded using their left hands. So let's get right into the video. They'll be putting on their blindfolds so that you can see they're not cheating. Okay, so you can start. Yeah, you use your left hands. Yeah, you can start.
Let's see what are you trying.
You want to run?
No, I can't see. Oh my god, so much report. Okay. So, seeing the eyes should be fine.
You're drawing a person.
It's not even a person.
Okay.
It's an oh shit.
Okay.
Oh my god, to finish.
Wait. What is this?
I don't even cannot feel the end of
I'm not
my
even
name.
looking at your drawing. I'm looking at
Jesus. Now where does my end? Okay. Let me try. So what did I do?
oh wow. Yeah, what are you doing?
I'm drawing up what? We are all in a car.
Wow. Just wow.
Firewood. Jesus. So where are the ears?
What are you looking for?
The ears.
Yeah, I can see
Any
them.
spot?
I can see them.
On a branch. Okay, of course it must be. Can I open my eyes, kiddo?
No, you can't.
Like, do I have to
Just finish
estimate?
whatever you are doing. Yeah, you have to estimate, obviously. So you think you'll feel that?
Signature. I don't.
You are done. Okay, yeah. If you are done, you can sign.
Jesus. So, just you can just like point where
Point what?
the head is.
I can't do that. You have to do that by
And
yourself.
the ears, because I have to.
It's your
the
paper.
eyes. Okay.
You just do whatever you feel like.
Then I will not give all the eyes. Put, delete. And then you sign. Okay. We have to sign.
She's done. What about you?
Yeah.
You're done.
Sign.
Okay, just sign.
Hi. Sorry, school.
Okay, you're not done signing?
I guess I'm done. Let me put my signature. I can't even sign my
Wow, what are you doing?
You can shed.
Wow, okay. Okay, so you're done?
Yeah.
You're done?
Me?
Mama.
I made a shed. This
What are you shading?
pot.
Pot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you just go to estimate?
What are you doing?
So I want to keep my drawing what they get is.
You should see yourselves right now.
But I can tell I'm perfect.
Look at her.
already.
Look at her. Huh? Wow.
I think I'm done.
Oh, you're done. Okay.
Are we?
I just wait. What about you?
I'm shady.
Oh, that's a nice trick.
But I still feel like I
That's
can
a nice
erase.
trick. Huh?
I
You feel like?
I should erase something.
So you just start erasing them.
Not
Do you even
mess
know
it
where the
up.
rubber is?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay.
Or somewhere.
Oh, what are you doing?
Oh my god, I have a feeling it's a perfect drawing.
Okay, yeah. So before you take your blindfolds off, how do you think you've done?
Perfect.
From a range of 1 to 10.
Me.
Yeah, you
9.
9.
9.5.
What about you?
Me.
Yeah.
2.
A 2.
Oh.
Okay, so you can take your blindfolds off.
Oh, at least mine came out to be somehow.
Yeah, quite wrong.
Mine is a
Wine
like
glass.
you can tell there's a branch.
Okay, it looks like a bad though.
With my
What is this? What is this?
This one is a wine glass.
Wow.
Then there is some stones, some decorative, like if you are marketing a wine
The
glass.
decorations are
Yeah.
outside the bottle.
No, the stones. No, actually, this is a whiskey glass.
Uh-huh.
So I'm decorating. Then it's stones. Then I shade.
You shade the whole page,
Yeah.
even outside the. Okay. Why do you look so sad?
me.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of my work.
Oh.
Like at least it has got some legs, some eyes.
Oh, this is the best drawing I've seen so far
Oh.
in this challenge.
Yeah, so I feel like I've done a good job. Yeah.
What about you? Are you still proud of yourself? Do you think you still have a 9?
Yeah. I'm a 9.
Wow. Okay.
If I said it,
You can hang it.
Okay. So.
yeah.
So what can you tell the people?
Okay, can you just comment who won? Like I think I won. I want to draw. And please support Boy Chandaki. Subscribe to his channel. We are road to 500. Share is caring. Tunawapenda and kuna pia all heads up. Na kama unataka kuchora tuambie, tutakuchora and we deliver to CBD free of charge.
Yeah. Like this is a perfect photo of Drake. So you want to get a perfect photo of yourself, just comment down because I'm sure he will consider that. So like, share, subscribe. And sambaza injiri. Sawa. Unasambaza, you tuma to your friends will tuma to their friends, and then we get to 500 subscribers. Adios.
So you've seen what they have drawn. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share and comment. Let me know who you think drew the best drawing. Whoever you think drew the best drawing, I think I'll have to do a challenge with them. Yeah, so like the video, comment, share, subscribe, yeah, all that good stuff. So see you when you see me.